Sveiki and welcome to my channel Lithuania for you, and here we are learning Lithuanian language. Today we are learning Lithuanian, and today we are going to look at the verb. You know this verb. Jūs žinote, you know. Tu žinai, you know. And this verb is žinoti. Žinoti, to know. Today we are going to conjugate it, not just in present tense. So, the verb žinoti is the verb of third conjugation because the third person ends with O. Jis žino. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Here we have present tense. Present tense. Aš žinau, I know. Tu žinai, you know. Jis žino, ji žino. The same. Jis žino, ji žino. He knows, she knows. Mes žinome, jūs žinote, jie žino, jos žino. Simple. And if you want to know more about conjugations, about how to conjugate verbs, please go to the lesson number, I think, 6, 7, and 8. 6, 7, and 8. So, this is present tense. For the verb žinoti, to know the information. And I will remind you that we have three words to know. Mokėti, pažinti, and žinoti. Mokėti, to know how to do something. Pažinti, to know a person or a place. And žinoti, to know the information. Aš žinau, kad jis ateis. I know that he will come. Aš žinau. Ar tu žinai? Do you know? Ar tu žinai, kad šiandien lijo? Do you know that today was raining? And now we are going to past tense. Būtasis kartinis laikas. Kartinis means it happened once. Aš žinojau, I knew. Aš žinojau. Tu žinojai. Jis žinojo, ji žinojo. Mes žinojome, jūs žinojote, jie žinojo, jos žinojo. Jos žinojo. They, ladies, they knew. Aš žinojau, bet pamiršau. I knew it, but I forgot. And as you know, we have two past tenses. Another past tense is past frequentative. Būtasis dažninis. It means it happened not once, it was happening time by time. And in English we say I used to know. I used to know. Aš žinodavau. I used to know. Tu žinodavai. You used to know. Jis žinodavo. Ji žinodavo. Mes žinodavome. Jūs žinodavote. Jie žinodavo. Jos žinodavo. And we have future tense. Būsimasis laikas. Būsimasis laikas, future tense. Aš žinosiu. I will know. Tu žinosi. Jis žinos. Ji žinos. Mes žinosime. Jūs žinosite. Jie žinos. Jos žinos. Kai reiks, mes žinosime. When we need, we will know. Mes žinosime. So we have all tenses, not just present tense. Present tense esamasis laikas. So now we have all 4 tenses. Žinoti in 4 tenses. And žinoti is the verb of the 3rd conjugation. But I don't want to stop here. I want to talk about prefixes we use with žinoti. For example, aš žinosiu, I will know. And we can say aš sužinosiu. I will find out. Aš sužinosiu. Reikia žinoti. We need to know. Reikia sužinoti. We need to find out. Interesting. Žinoti, sužinoti. And actually, the verb pažinti, to know personally, pažinti, it came from the same verb žinoti, pažinoti. Pažinoti, to know personally, but this pažinoti became pažinti. So, aš pažįstu, I know. I know him, I know her. Aš pažįstu, I know somebody. O aš pažįstu šią vietovę, I know this place. Pažinti, to know. Susipažinti. Susipažinti, to start knowing. When we are introducing somebody, mes supažindiname. Supažindiname. Ar galiu tave supažindinti su mano tėvais? May I introduce you? Or may I introduce my parents to you? Tave su tėvai, su mano tėvai. Supažindinti. Susipažinti. It's to know one another. Susipažinkime. Let's introduce ourselves. Mano vardas Edmundas. Malonu susipažinti. Malonu susipažinti. Nice to meet you. Malonu susipažinti. And now let's exercise. You have to fill the gap. Reikia, žinome, žinoti, sužinoti, ar jie atvyks. So, sužinoti. Reikia sužinoti, ar jie atvyks. Reikia sužinoti, ar jie iš tiesų atvyks. We have to find out, are they really coming? Sužinoti. To find out. Next one. Aš sužinoti nežinojau, nežinojome, kad ir Indijoje gali snigti. What do you think? Which one is the right one? Yes. Aš nežinojau. Aš nežinojau, kad ir Indijoje gali snigti. I didn't know that in India can snow. Vakar vaikai sužinojo, žinodavo, žinodavome, kad kolibris yra mažiausias paukštis. Sužinojo, sužinojo. Yesterday, children, they found out, because somebody told them, that colibri is the smallest bird. And here we are going to stop for today. And please let me know, ar žinojote, ar jau žinojote visą šią informaciją? Did you already know all this information? Maybe I'm doing the same stuff and you already know everything. Please let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. And please share, like, subscribe. And see you soon. Iki kito karto.